welcome back to B-Man is Mad. So I'm here in Dallas, Texas, you all, and it's the third day I've been here. I went to WrestleMania last night, night one. B-Man had a little bit too much to drink, but I'm all right now. I'm all right. A couple coffees and some greasy bacon makes B-Man feel a little better. So today's video is I'm going to test my GoPro Hero 8. It's supposed to be waterproof up to 30 feet. I'm going to test that and see how it turns out. Hopefully I don't ruin this camera. I did everything I need to do. I don't need the case. Anything it says in the manual, less than 30 feet, you don't need the case. So that's good. So I'm gonna try this out. See how it goes. I hope you guys enjoy. Hit that like button, subscribe if you're new, and let's see how this goes. So B-Man's sister says that by the way, this is B-Man's mad sister's house down here in Dallas, Texas. So the water temperature is about 72 degrees now. That's gonna be much colder, excuse me, much warmer than water temperature in Wolf Lake last week when I fell in. I'm pretty sure you all remember that. So here we go. She said it's about 72, 75 degrees. So not that bad. I'm sure as it hits my pants, whoa, shit, almost fell in again. Sure as it hits my pants and my chest, it's gonna be cold. So here we go. You get my facial expression when I go in the water. It's not that bad. Not that bad at all. Not as bad as last week. So let's go ahead and try this out. Now my sister says the pool's 6 feet at its deepest point. So let's walk from the shallow end, which is about 3 feet. All right, folks, here we go. Time to go underwater. Hopefully I didn't waste $300 on this camera. 1, 2, 3. I think that went well. Went very well. A little shallower than I thought. That's not 6 feet, it's more like 4 feet. Alright guys, that's pretty much it for today. Just wanted to test that out. I know it looks like when I was underwater, I was like I was about to puke. I was holding my breath. I know it wasn't the most attractive thing, but I like it. Works great. I'm gonna have so many adventures this summer with my GoPro, and I can't wait to go fishing more and falling in the water and all that good stuff. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Stay tuned and take care. B-Man out.